family wins. The family wins, baby.
I'm not a fucking Englishman.
Can't stand no messy. Kiss me.
Oh yeah. I'ma do it for the family, I'ma do it for my G's. You gon' feel it anywhere, we can do it anyhow. We don't watch nobody else, we don't see nobody face. I'ma feel more energy, and when I smoke together.
Gotta whip up all, you should know it boiling past. Steady money coming in with a feeling. Gotta whip up all, you should know it boiling past. Steady money coming in with a feeling.
Oh yeah. You don't know my story as a gangster. You only know me now when I'm Kiss Me.
I'm not a fucking Englishman. Shut up the talking form. I'm still the king of crime. Make an example of men. I just talked to Obama on my walkie-talkie. I don't get peace from a Barbie. I'm not a Disney princess. I'm gonna shoot a farm. With a new block of dancers, I will murk you. I'm not a fucking Then I make magic with your bitch on my private jet. Wanna touch and go. Shut up the Champions League. I'm with the Ivy.
Gotta whip up all, you should know it boiling past. Steady money coming in with a feeling. Gotta whip up all, you should know it boiling past. Steady money coming in with a feeling.
Run high to door, cross the floor, on the shore. Penetrating from above like a ray of light. New generation nigga, we turn the world like to back. We super safe. We fucking think of grind, ballin' on the sky. A nigga like Earth, the way in the track. I'ma give him shots. Don't never call with an intro. The family wins, we've been into.
Step in the field like a baller. One boy every day like he wanna do. Gotta whip up all, you should know it boiling past. Steady money coming in with a feeling. Gotta whip up all, you should know it boiling past. Steady money coming in with a feeling.
I came from Abu Dhabi, you know that I'm El Gaddafi. I'm gonna give you the advice that you want, I'm gonna make you happy. You know that I like Versace, then you make some party.
You have to know that everywhere we go, we used to shut the party. I'm right here with Majestic, Kiss B, I'm a G royalty. I was in G for fly, but now I'm in family wings, bro. I'm trying to make it on my own, I'm getting tired of being broke. Man, I'm tired of being broke. I'ma do it for the family, I'ma do it for my G's. You gon' feel it anywhere, we can do it anyhow. We don't watch nobody else, we don't see nobody face. I'ma bring more energy, and when I smoke together. Family wins.
Sweet love, you know easy. When you fall, this what keep moving, yeah. Wake up to reality, cause people die and people keep living,
In a world of so much pain, how she wondered what's happiness. On how she smiled to the judgment, that's God's work. I know what she been through, this true life and this is the realest story I ever told. There's a day she told me all she wanted was just food. On how she told me it's a cold world, she never had a sweater. There's no beat for this song, I do it while my heart beats. She's an orphan, if the family was gonna take care of her, she had to be from the same faith. I ain't talking about the family we. If I ever see her, I'ma come with the whole nine, it's so hard. They call her a prostitute, I just say she did what she had to do. There's no judgment, that's God's work. Never loved nobody, was in a hurricane of emotion, she was numb. On how she led all her life in pain. On how she always smiles when she sees me. All the necessary evil be done. May the odds forever be in our favor. Who am I to question God's power? I only follow God's order.
When you fall, this what keep moving, yeah. Wake up to reality, cause people die and people keep living,
Might as well drop the mic and let you continue the verse. When it comes to playing with you, I had a fair share. Some more than others is clear, my life is nuclear. If you ever guess that I'm confident, I will break through the crack of the concrete. I will survive if hell breaks loose, and say to this mountain be moved. I will look up to the hills, from where comes my help. My help comes from you, the maker of the heavens and the earth. You will not suffer my foot to be moved. I shall not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that fly by day. 1,000 shall fall on my side, and 10,000 by my right, but not 2 shall by any means harm me. I am the light of the world, a city set upon a hill shall not be hidden. I shall not die, but I shall live to declare the words of the Lord upon my life. The gross darkness covers the earth, we shine. Come rain, come sun, draw the varsity to the stars, mark 11:24. The family wins by any means. Family wins. You only get to say goodbye once. Sometimes you never. Sometimes I wish I could cut my life in half and give you some of it. Would you take it? It's oftentimes you switch. You keep telling me I ain't good enough. As I inject dust, some sniffing make me see different. It's all truth, I'm spitting, there's no sugarcoating it. I gave you all of mine was all of yours was never mine. To death do us part, homie. That does just fucking part right now. I fucking hate you, bitch. You multiple times told me I ain't good enough to sit on the table. You straight to my face told me I don't have what it takes to be the bomb. I'm not uranium. I'm multiple times a bomb, nigga. I'm a C4 on ya. Market it to 500 pounds by any means, nigga. Market it to 1,000 pounds by any means. I'm a real G, there's levels to this. There's levels to this, my guy. Show no love, love forget your kid, that's my armor 50. For every time you turn your back on me, fuck you like you're Mackenzie.
FY to say, don't make shit now. FY you shouting, I don't care no more. I try to be nice, you treated me bad. Yeah, it is you who need me, make me look so stupid. I don't care what you saying no more, no more. I took you in, made you king and madam. You F my feelings, now you blaming me, oh. You distract my thoughts and you disturb my feelings. I want you to know, boy, I want you to know.
Might get to 2,000 pounds on ya. I'ma bring the whole army on ya. Fucking sneak bitch, I'm a fucking ball, fucking hole in your tongue. You fucking lied to me, you're the fucking devil in it. I don't give a damn if Kilimanjaro falls on your fucking crown on you and your fucking family too. It's gonna be bizarre when you come against Zion, the lion. I'm the fucking beast, I'm fucking feed on ya. Mackenzie multiple times, so we never trust a bitch. She was fucking stone cold in it. You fucking lose lips, kept telling every motherfucker I broke your heart when you never hard won, bitch. Come kiss my ass, explode to it. How dare you say it was me? How? When it was you? Who? Though your mom's, I'm a fucking broke. You fucking love this bloke. It's all true. No, I'm no longer a fool for you. Once I was bearing, for twice I was never shy. 3 times I threw my heart to the pigs. Bitch, I can never be yours.
Never be mine, it can never be yours.
You can never be mine, I can never be yours.
I gave you my heart and you threw it away.
With 2 different walls, which one will collapse?
You can never be mine, I can never be yours.
You are not yet taking time bomb.
I give you my heart and you threw it away.
That's what you want, yeah. You're fucking ticking time bomb. But the time has come, I'm sick of all this chaos. But you will fucking get to this. These times I shared my bread with you. You was the apple of mine's eyes, and I was the silver lining to your dark cloud. Come have a word with me for every time I called you bitch. I'm sorry, I never meant it. I fucked up, I'm a fucking addict. Let me turn the angel dust to angel dust.
My angel dust.
I got the world in my hands. models to the floor right now. All the models to the floor right now. What? All the models to the floor right now. All the models to the floor right now.
If I say I'm gonna kill you, go to your grave, homie. Fuck the metaphors, there's only one king and you as followers. My gun shoot 2 rounds of applause from you. Prime time you fuck up and knock up your teeth. There's only one king and you know I'm the one. From Batman to Robin to Clark, I'm the one. So shut up on bed, I won't open your arm. Don't fuck with me, you're done, nigga. Turn the bitch to a vegetable, yo, I'm done, nigga. I put it, I rock it, I slap it, I bang. First class on me, dog like I'm Sicily. The young talk, gang like Mississippi. I got the energy, stocking up life, dose with energy. By any means, the day of the dog will come. It's fuck the world, my dick in it.
I got the world in my hands, the master plan, but I don't know why I keep falling, why I keep all of these girls in my shows. They love me, but I don't know why I keep calling, why I keep calling you.
I got my Christian Dior, fucking magical in the beach to war. Got your blue signs, variant Christian Dior, majestic and hood, we see more. 87 Washington Square, got the lean and Vina for. Catch up, should be ready, we be waiting Pina for. Got you to the floor, yeah, for real a metaphor. Yeah, you got the hand, yeah, I'm fucking hardcore. Right on instinct, it's hot on raw. All the ladies in a row, on the hill of Singapore. We on the name hood, forever still on board. Why be smarting cashing out? I go straight to the marks. Whoa!